What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of every single video that we do upload on this channel. If you're new to the channel, I am Jayblends. We do product reviews, we do tutorials, we do vlogs, we do anything barber related on this channel. But today specifically, you already seen by the thumbnail, we will be doing an unboxing of the Low-Cutted Babyliss FX trimmer, the influencer edition. But that is what we'll be diving into in this video. Got the box here, and let's get to this unboxing.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
I'm not gonna make y'all wait long, so we got through the intro. Let's go ahead and get to this unboxing here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and let y'all see the contents of what was sent with the box. First and foremost, I wanna say shout out to Clipper Depot. If you are trying to get anything barber related, go hit up them boys at Clipper Depot. They are located down in South Texas, but they will get whatever you need shipped to you ASAP. So I made this order, I believe Saturday. It was processed on Monday, and I got it on, what's today, Wednesday. So 2-day shipping from once it was processed. So very, very quick turnaround with Clipper Depot, especially if you're already in Texas. They will make sure that you get anything you need. They're always taking care of any barber related things that I need that are hard to find. And this Low-Cutted trimmer was one of those things. You know, I've seen a lot of barber companies, or barber supply companies, advertising that they had it, but Clipper Depot is one of the first people that actually had those trimmers in stock and available to purchase. So once again, shout out to Clipper Depot, but let's go ahead and get into the box.
All right, let's go ahead and get this box open. And I wish I had some sharper scissors because these things are kind of dull and kind of sketching me out here. Let's go ahead and cut away from myself before we end up in the hospital today. These are very, very dull scissors, but I got it open. Pop that bad boy like that. Alrighty, got our Clipper Depot needs and wants. You can go follow them on Instagram at Clipper Depot. So just shout out to them for taking care of me with this. And you can see here, got the Low-Cutted influencer collection. And y'all ready? Drum roll for what we about to unbox here. I know everybody probably done already seen it, but it's my first time. But here we go, man. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I used the Babyliss FX trimmer, you know, probably like 2 times. I wasn't very impressed, but Low-Cutted is in my top 5 barbers, so I had to go and cop this bad boy here. But let's go ahead and take this plastic off. Very, very professional packaging. You can see the Low-Cutted signature on the top. Got the Babyliss for barbers. Got Low-Cutted on the front. Super dope graphics. Even got the details of his barber tattoo on the sleeve. Limited edition. Got a lion and some flames in there. And also a bit of a backstory on Low-Cutted. So you can see everything down here. Also in Spanish and in English for those of y'all who bilingual. Yeah, this is the influencer edition, limited edition. They had the patty cuts, Frank the Barber, and Low-Cutted, and this is the Low-Cutted version, like I said. But right here we get the black DLC diamond light carbon deep tooth 2mm T-blade. Zero gapping tool is included, but we will see how these hit without zero gapping them. So I will give y'all an in-depth, you know, somewhat review of how they hit right out the box. But we got the 360 exposed T-blade. So you can see here the T-blade is exposed. Got the high torque brushless engine, 7,200 RPM. All metal housing, lithium ion battery, 2-hour runtime. You could use them cord or cordless. And it's got also a hanging hook at the bottom, at the very bottom of the trimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and let y'all see the inside of the box.
All right, everybody, so I got the box in hand here. We get the Babyliss. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and take the box and we're gonna go ahead and open this up, see what we have as far as the contents of, you know, what we have inside the box. So, you know, this packaging is super, super nice. Just all the details they took in this, you know, it's very, very detailed. But there is the trimmer right there. I can see that influencer collection. Man, these are packaged so nice that it makes you not even want to actually use them. You want to just like put it up on a, you know, on a shelf or something, like a trophy case. But we're gonna use these bad boys. But without further ado, let's go ahead and pop the top, pop the lid, and let y'all see what the trimmer actually looks like. And these are super nice. So I myself am a Chicago Bulls fan. I've been a Chicago Bulls fan since birth. My power mat is black and red, so I had to go ahead and cop the black and red Los Cutted edition of the trimmer, so that way it would match my power mat as well. Everything I rock is red, you know, red and black, so I had to go and cop the Los Cutted one. Also, my man's is top 5 in my book of barbers. He's just, you know, elevating the game as far as editing, you know, as far as social media. He's even hopped in the YouTube game a little bit, and just overall his technique as a barber, as a stylist. You know, he's even cosmetologist certified. So, you know, he's just an overall all-around barber, which is what I think is pretty dope. He doesn't just put himself in a box, you know, so he's always, you know, breaking into different realms of the barber business. So that's just something that's super, you know, motivating and inspiring. So had to get this one. But we'll go ahead and see what else we got inside the clipper box before we actually take a deeper look at the trimmer. So let me go ahead and pop this plastic out real quick. And I'm guessing probably the charger and the user manual are up in here. It's a little bit tricky. But you got a little box top in there. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Yeah. There's your user manual. Put that to the side as well. And inside this box here, we got you have an additional blade cushion that it comes with, that the blade will sit on inside the trimmer. It also comes with another hook that you can put on the bottom to replace the red one. You could swap it out with a black, but we're gonna keep the red on there. It also comes with a brush, which I always tell y'all is super, let me just open this up. So it got the brush, which is super useful for like color enhancement and stuff like that. It's also got the zero gapping tool that you can use to zero gap your trimmers. You got a blade cover, of course. Babyliss always hooks it up with a nice screwdriver that you can keep handy in your drawer, keep it nearby you. Because we always need a screwdriver for something. And last but not least, you got your clipper oil and your charging cord. But I'll give y'all a deeper look as far as we go with the trimmer. Stay tuned. So here we got the trimmer. We got this like rubber, you know, diamond shaped pattern on side the side of the clipper, and that'll just help for a lot of grip because these things could easily slip out of your hand. So you want to have that extra grip. So that is a super dope concept right there. We have the bottom portion where you can hook this, you know, on a hook by your station. You also have the charging port right here. Got the red, you know, Babyliss Pro right here. And of course we have the DLC 2.0 blade, the 2mm. Very, very nice look to this trimmer. I'm really digging it. And I hope that it operates as well as it looks, because I gotta tell you, the first time I used the Babyliss FX trimmer, I wasn't really impressed. So we're gonna go ahead and take these into the shop and see how they operate. But first, let's turn this on. I know you're not supposed to, but let's go ahead and hear what it sounds like. That is powerful. You can feel the vibration in your hand. That is a very powerful clipper, or trimmer, sorry. There you see it. But there you see it. Man, I'm so happy to finally get these in. Let's go ahead and see what it would do, like taking on some hair here. These are right on my skin, no bite whatsoever. And, yep, these are hitters right out the box. But
we'll have to see what they really hit like on, you know, clients inside the shop. I'll give you guys a look at that here in the next clip we got coming up. What's cracking, everybody? So this is the part where I give you guys a demonstration of how these trimmers work. And right now I'm just slicing through my coworker's hair. He got like a mohawk type haircut, a little burst fade with the V in the back. So we're just laying that V in with this DLC blade, and it is slicing through the hair. So I'm gonna use this trimmer every which way, just to show y'all how it cuts. So I'm scooping down, I'm scooping up, I'm making lines, and this trimmer is A1. You know, it's super powerful. That DLC blade slices through hair like butter. I know a lot of people said that they didn't like the DLC blade, but me personally, it's hitting. And I asked my coworker repeatedly, like, you know, is it biting? You know, is it scratching your skin? You know, just trying to make sure that it's not. And these are straight out the box, no zero gap or nothing, and they are hitting hard, like Mike Tyson in his prime. Now, I know this specific one is a Los Cutted special edition, and they have the Frank the Barber and also the patty cuts, and I highly recommend y'all go and try to scoop one of these, try to cop one of these. They're great trimmers. I have nothing bad to say about them whatsoever. I paid $189 with tax and shipping, so not too bad on the pockets. I mean, these are special edition clippers, like I said, but right here we're just attacking the seat cup. Then in the next clip I'm gonna be attacking the beard. But other than that, that's the demonstration right there. They are slicing through hair. I love that about these trimmers. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. I appreciate everybody for clicking on this video. I do have some slimline GTXs with the 245 power clip that I am thinking about doing a giveaway for. But if you're interested in the giveaway, drop a comment down below and let me know that you are interested in the giveaway. But other than that, this will do it for the unboxing video. I appreciate everybody for clicking on this video once again. Until next time, God bless.